Marcoleta, kapansin-pansing mas mababa sa kanyang ginasta sa pangangampanya noong midterm elections. Agad itong pinuna ng isang election watchdog. Narito ang exclusive agenda report ni Joash Malimban.
Ilang linggo nang nakalilipas mula nang maging sentro muli ng usapin ang pagsasapubliko ng Statements of Assets and Liabilities o SALN ng public officials.
I think that all departments should be able to should have the same transparency as we are setting in the Office of the Ombudsman, because everybody here, all the government officials have accountability issues. Diba? We have to be accountable for everything we do. So it's just right that people have access to it.
Sa kasalukuyan, publicized na ang 2025 SALNs ng lahat ng senador, kabilang na si Senador Rodante Marcoleta. Ang kanyang declared net worth aabot sa 51.9 million pesos. Nakakuha rin ng Billionaire News Channel ng kopya ng Statement of Contributions and Expenditures o SOSE ng lahat ng mga senador na nanalo sa May midterm elections. Ayon sa SOSE ni Marcoleta, hindi siya tumanggap ng kahit na anong contributions, cash man o in-kind sa kanyang naging kampanya. Pero ang kanyang kabuuang gastos aabot sa 112 million pesos, mas mataas ng more than 100% kisa sa declared net worth niya. Ang pinakamalalaking gastos ng senador napunta sa kanyang TV political ads. Ang buong 112 million pesos na gastos na ito, idineklara niya sa COMELEC na galing lahat sa sariling bulsa. Red flag ito para sa convener ng Election Watch Group na kontradaya na si Danilo Araw.
I find it a bit unusual that even if in-kind contributions would be expected, Marcoleta doesn't have any. So he gives an impression that he funded his own campaign, when in fact his SALN is not enough to fund such a 100 million peso venture. Remember that the expenses theoretically only cover a few months of the campaign season.
Nakakuha rin ng aming team ng isang dokumento ng House of Representatives noong 2018 kung saan idineklara ni nooy Congressman Marcoleta ang kanyang net worth na nasa 28 million pesos lang. Ibig sabihin, halos dumoble ang kanyang declared net worth sa loob ng 7 taon. Hindi pa kasama rito ang ginastos niyang 112 million pesos noong nakaraang halalan. Sa kanyang 2025 SALN, walang declared na mga negosyo o business interest si Marcoleta.
Let this be a challenge to Marcoleta and to the public at large. It is hard to jump to conclusion as to whether or not there is corruption with a sudden increase in the net worth. Although it raises a lot of eyebrows, we should be demanding instead more information from the senator himself. He should come clean and to explain the circumstances behind the figures.
Sinubukan namin kunan ng panig si Senator Marcoleta pero hindi pa ito sumasagot sa aming mga mensahe. Para sa agenda, Joash Malimban, Billionaire News.